Welcome to the travel series. These vlogs are intended to provide a glimpse of the beauty of Kashmir and its diverse landscape. I'll start with a trip to Pahalgam. Pahalgam is located about 95 kilometers away from Jammu and Kashmir summer capital Srinagar. In Kashmir, Pahalgam means the Valley of Shepherds. It has an abundant cover of forest, beautiful lakes, crystal clear streams and meadows of flowers. This video is a sequential view of journey from Srinagar to Pahalgam. Starting from Srinagar, we will be passing through lush valleys, pristine streams and endless sights of paddy fields that provide traveler a completely refreshing feeling even before reaching their chosen destination. You will definitely cherish these moments of travel away from the daily hustle and bustle of city life. Traversing through one of the most beautiful and scenic landscape in this part of the world. So while going towards Pahalgam, we went through Bijbehara. On way, we will see tremendous apple orchards, beautiful landscape. And you will definitely witness a traffic blockade by the herd of sheep or goats. So while entering Pahalgam, you will be always alongside the famous river Leather. This is a view from Pahalgam market. So there are a lot of shops and hotels alongside. Now going towards Betaab Valley. It's approximately 7 kilometers from Pahalgam. Betaab Valley is a beautiful area surrounded with dense deodar and pine forests and snow-capped mountains. This valley got its name from the movie Betaab. It was shot here. The silently flowing river by its side makes it a perfect valley. Every bit of it is a picture perfect with the lovely meadows. The sight of blue skies, flowery meadows and silently flowing river fills our soul. This is a very beautiful valley. This is such a peaceful place that you can sit for hours without getting bored. The view from above on the road is equally breathtaking. You will see the whole Betaab valley from this. You can see the whole Betaab valley from above while going towards Chandanwadi. Driving along waterfalls, shimmering streets and lush forests and beautiful meadows makes one happy from inside. Pahalgam is a noted tourist spot. Pahalgam has a lot of scenic beauty and has a lot of treks also. Do visit once you are in Kashmir. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.